In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Fly Jinnah ticket online. First, open your browser and go to the Fly Jinnah website. On the homepage, look for the Book Flight section and click it to open the booking form. Start by choosing whether you want a one-way trip or a return ticket. For this walkthrough, we'll pick return so you can see both directions. Next, set your route. Click the From field and choose your departure city. You can start typing to search or select. See all destinations to browse the full list. As an example, we'll choose Bahrain as the departure point. Now click the To field to set where you're going. Again, you can type to search or open See all destinations. We'll browse to Italy and select Milan, Bergamo as our arrival airport. With the route set, pick your travel dates. Click the calendar to select your departure date first, then choose your return date. Take a moment to confirm the months and days are correct. It's easy to click the wrong week when you're in a hurry. If your preferred date isn't available, try moving a day or two or using the month arrows to navigate the calendar. Before searching, adjust your preferences. If you prefer to see prices in a different currency, use the currency selector to switch. Then choose how many passengers are traveling, including adults, children, or infants. If you have a promo code, enter it now, so any eligible discount is applied. When everything looks good, click Search and Book. On the results page, review the available flights. Click View Flight to expand the details such as timings and fare types, then click Select to lock in your outbound option. Repeat the same steps for the return flight. View Flight to check details, then select to confirm. Now continue to enter passenger details. Carefully fill in each traveler's information exactly as it appears on the passport, including full names, dates of birth, and any required document numbers. Next, enter your contact details so the airline can send confirmations and updates. Make sure the email address and phone number are accurate. Proceed to add extras to customize your trip. Here you can choose seats, add baggage, or other services. Review the prices and pick only what you need. Finally, go to Complete Booking. Double check your itinerary, travelers, and totals, then follow the prompts to finalize payment. Have your payment method ready and make sure it's enabled for online purchases to avoid delays. That's it. Your Fly Jinnah tickets are booked.